Hi Chromites! We are on our 45th day of quarantine and I truly hope that everyone is staying safe while at home. Although there are times that we need to go out to do our mini grocery shopping or quick errands to the market or to the nearest ATM, but still we have to make sure that we are always protected and that we sanitize all our stuff once we go back home. And speaking of sanitizing stuff, we should also not forget about our cars. Since we spend a lot of time inside our vehicles, and since most of our family members go ride with us, we have to make sure that our cars are sanitized after every use. So let me share with you a few tips on how I sanitize our car, and I hope this would be helpful for all of you. First thing I sanitize is my car key. I usually spray it with 70% isopropyl alcohol or with Lysol disinfectant spray, whichever is available. Then I just hang it or leave it to dry. Moving on, you need to identify the high-touch areas in your car. And these are usually the exterior and interior door handles, the steering wheel, seat belts and buckles, the gear stick, handbrake, car stereo and GPS screen, all the control buttons, aircon vents and knobs, the rear view mirror, dashboard and armrests. Other critical areas are the cup holders, fuel tank door, car pedals as well as your floor mats. Our cars have many different surfaces and we need to make sure that we use cleaning materials that will not damage our car interiors. A 70% isopropyl alcohol is a proven disinfectant and is also safe to use on most car interior surfaces. In fact, I learned that it is used in many production plants as a final touch on interior components before they are shipped out. If this is not available, soap and water is a safe and sufficient sanitizing tool for your leather or car interiors. If you wish to apply a disinfectant after wiping your car interiors with soap and water, you may do so but avoid using disinfectants with bleach and ammonia, as this can damage the surface of your vehicle and can cause discoloration. Remember to wash your rubber mats and sanitize your car pedals. I do this by spraying a Lysol disinfectant spray on it. Lastly, carry a packet of disinfecting wipes in your car to frequently clean common touch points in your car. Also, keep a small bottle of alcohol or sanitizer in your car for your hands. One last tip guys, never ever bring in your dirty shoes inside the car. So what I do is I always have an extra pair of driving slippers in my car and never use this outside, so this is really clean. And then I just have a shoe bag where I can keep my dirty shoes once I'm done grocery shopping. So that's basically it. I hope I was able to share a few tips and I hope you'll find it all helpful. And let's all stay COVID-free, Chromites. See you back in the office soon.